Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to navigate the IBS platform dashboard by iCommunity. In this video, we will learn step-by-step how to use the main tools to certify data on the blockchain in just a few minutes. We start here on the main website, where we find access to the platform by clicking on IBS Platform and IBS Access. Once on the login page, we will log in or create an account if we don't have one yet. Once in the control panel, on the main screen, you will find a first panel with shortcuts and quick access to key functions, list of signatures, evidence generator, API documentation so you can integrate your applications, and useful tools, SDKs, evidence checker, and branding customization. Below, you can check the data consumption evolution according to your plan and a preview of the latest signatures and evidence created. On the side of the screen, you will see drop-down menus that allow you to explore different sections of the platform: signatures, evidence, requests, tools, and API. In the first section, signatures, you can register new signers through KYC and check their status below to see if they have been approved. The signature serves to create a digital identity related to the legal identity, ensuring the authorship and ownership of the certified data. This provides legal security to the records. Once the signature is created, we can move to the second section, Evidence, where you can certify your files. To do this, enter a name to identify the evidence, assign one or more signatures, and add the file or files to be certified. Here on the side, we can see exactly what will appear in the blockchain record once this process is finished. And below, we will see a list of all the evidence we have in our account and their status. Continuing with the left panel, in the request section, we can request documents from a person or send documents and request their signature. We can also try the identity checker, face check, for a specific signature. In the tools section, you will find useful functions you may need. Corporate identity customization, through which you can personalize the logo, name, URL, and colors of your company in the external applications of our platform that you can send to your clients. Signature requests, document requests, digital identity creation, or facial verification. Evidence checker, to verify if evidence has been certified on the blockchain, and if created with us, to check the registered documents. And SDKs, where you will find programming libraries to facilitate the integration of our services into your code. Finally, the last section, API, you will find everything you need to connect to our API and include blockchain certifications in your business. Access tokens, publishable tokens, events, webhooks, and documentation. And that concludes the tour of the iCommunity dashboard. We now know everything necessary to start using our platform. With iCommunity, you can easily bring the potential of blockchain to all your projects.